Good morning, buenos dias. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of help on a My Spanish Lab assignment that focuses on gender and adjectives and positioning of those adjectives within the sentence, and also how we modify that based on the gender. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. This exercise is 1-48. 1-48. So go ahead and pause this video if you want to bring that up. Okay, assuming that you have it up now in front of you, or you have a pen and paper in front of you, so you want to jot this down. So we take a look at the model. So, well, first, let's look at when in doubt, read the instructions. Use the words provided and the correct forms of the verb ser to create complete sentences or questions. Change the forms of all articles, nouns, and adjectives to agree with the subjects or the subject pronouns given. So, here in the model, we have Ana. Ana is female and singular. So we have Ana es. This is the she form of the verb, Ana es. Una, why una? Because Ana is female. Mujer, of course, mujer is a noun, it's a feminine noun. Optimista, well, there's your adjective. Ana es una mujer optimista. So let's take a look at number one. Nosotras, so we, and it's going to be we are, but take a look at this. Nosotras is feminine and plural. Nosotras. So, nosotras. And then what's the we or nosotros form of the verb ser? Nosotras somos, and then this article, un. Now remember, as you looked at the book and as you studied this and did the assignments, un has four different forms. We have un, una, unos, unas. Well, un is masculine, but we're dealing with a feminine subject here, aren't we? So make this feminine. Somos unas, and now change this noun to be feminine and plural, profesoras interesantes. So you see, you have to change almost everything in this sentence to agree with that subject. Nosotras somos unas profesoras interesantes. So let's review it. We have plural feminine. Plural verbs, by the way, do not carry gender. They don't change for gender. Verbs do not. The article unas, because this is feminine plural, this is feminine plural. This is feminine plural. This is feminine plural. This is feminine plural. And this is going to be plural. This interesante doesn't change for masculine and feminine. It's one of the strange adjectives. So taking a look, Juan y Felipe. Go ahead and pause the video and try this one on your own. All right, well, let's go ahead and compare your answer with my answer. Juan y Felipe, there's your subject. Juan y Felipe son unos hombres introvertidos. So these two are men. Unos hombres, hombres means men, and un is changed into unos. Why? Because this is plural. So they are some introverted men. Introvertidos. Why? Because this is plural and masculine. Let's go ahead and try the next one. Go ahead and pause your video and give it a try. Okay, take a look. Julia, feminine? Yes. Singular? Yes. So we're going to use the she form or the ella form of the verb. So we have Julia es una mujer misteriosa. So feminine, feminine, and this has to be changed to be feminine. And there we did. Una mujer misteriosa. So mysterious. Misteriosa. That adjective has to agree with the noun. Next. So this one, the subject is right here, ustedes. And what's the ustedes form of ser? Son ustedes. Okay, son ustedes. Well, you know something? We're not sure if this is going to be feminine or masculine. So we're going to default to the masculine. Now it's plural. So how are we going to make un plural and masculine. Unos. And then make us estudiante plural. Estudiantes. And then make trabajador plural. Trabajadores. So take a look. If it ends with a vowel, just add an S. But if it ends with a consonant, add ES. ¿Son ustedes unos estudiantes trabajadores? And the last one. Let's do this one. Elena's the subject. Is Elena a nice woman? So, es Elena. So, Elena's feminine. You have to make this feminine, and you have to make this feminine, and you have to make this feminine. Es Elena una here, señora sin Oops, there we go. Now I got it right. Simpática. ¿Es Elena una señora simpática? So there you have them. Take a look. You will be doing a similar exercise to this on the chapter test. So I would go over this a few times and refer back to your book. Have a wonderful day. Adios.